med sjekk, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hver dag var en lørdag. Så mange.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I will be posting every day, so make sure to look out for me. And today I'll be showing you my remote control car and my two spiders. I've got three, but the other one's upstairs, but I can't find it. Right, so let's get on with it. So the first thing is the remote control. Is the spider. Wait, look at it. It looks so cool. It actually moves. Oh wait, just got to pick it up. There you go. And also we have this little thing here. It sticks to walls. And guess what, guys? When you face it down, it actually cools down walls, which is so sick. And windows. Here. So yeah, that's that. Okay guys, so it's my remote control car. It looks very cool, doesn't it? I'm just gonna zoom in. Yeah, it looks sick. So yeah, it's really cool. It's obviously a remote control car. It's very cool, and yeah, it does things like this. I just nearly went over my cat without even knowing how to control. I do know how to control it, guys. I was just saying because I didn't fully control it. So yeah. Okay guys, that might be it for me, because if I put the phone on the remote control car and move it around, it might end the video because it might accidentally press. But let's try it anyways. Okay guys, we're doing it. Oh my god guys, it didn't end the video, but that's cool. Not really. But so you guys didn't fully get to see. So put it like that. Oh no, I just broke my phone case.